In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful shine effect inside After Effects. So let's get started. So the first, let me delete my objects and let drag and drop again. So this is a two screen, like one is a screenshot and one is the After Effects logo. I'm showing you on a board. This is my screenshot, and let me adjust this a little bit, and let me adjust this After Effects logo as well. Scale down and go to the effect and preset, search for the CC light sweep and drag and drop this one. As you can see, so this is the setting. You can change it however you want, and you can play with the setting. Let's smooth this, and let's increase the width and the other intensity, and you can actually play with this. This is really easy, and you can now click on the icon, create the first the icon for the start and the end. So I just create my icon for my starting position. This is my starting position, and then now we can just use this or use this button to create this beautiful animation. You can change the color as well, however you want. It's up to you, and you can adjust the setting. I just click the linear, sharp, and smooth. So I just create this smooth one, and there we go. This is the easiest way to create this shiny effect. Let me adjust the setting a little bit. And then play. Look at this. This is beautiful. Now just go to uh, create the same thing on the After Effects logo. I'm adding a different setting at this time. So as you can see, this is the my setting for the logo, and let me add the endpoint and keyframe and the start keyframe. So this is the easiest way to create this beautiful shine effect inside After Effects. This is really easy. You can play with the setting however you want. You can change the intensity, you can lower the intensity, and you can play with the settings. So if you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe.